Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. A very good afternoon to all of you. Today I'm going to tell about Rangamati. Rangamati is the district of Chattogram Hill track. The main reason to visit this place is Kaptali Lake. Actually, my father has visited there and it's a very wonderful place. When I saw the video, I want to go there for at least one time. I have told to my father that why you didn't take me to that time. Actually, it was on 2018. On that time my exam was going on, that's why I can't go there. But now I feel so much guilty that I feel so much I want to go there. I feel like that. And it is a natural, beautiful man-made lake surrounding by beautiful hills. The best thing to do in Rangamati is to enjoy a boat ride on Kaptali Lake for a whole day. Yeah, my father also did that. Rangamati is also home of many tribal groups. You can visit them, their handmade crafts, and they also sell it there, and we can also buy it if we visit there. And there is a Buddhist monastery called Rajban Vihara, which is also worth visiting. Rangamati is one of the best beautiful tourist spots in Bangladesh. And I have told that my father went there, and I know how beautiful place it is, and I think I also should go there for at least one time, and you also should go there for at least one time. So that's all for today. Thank you.